With all the different singing courses out there on the net, how can you know which one is best? You need to consider if the course you are looking at is as comprehensive as it gets. There is a singing course on the market head and shoulders above the rest. It's called Singorama 2.0. Right now they are giving away free lessons to get you started. In the description below there is a download link for your free 5-part singing mini course. Inside you'll learn every little thing you need to know about proper breathing techniques that will skyrocket you to your full singing potential, empower yourself with the theories of vocal tone and pitch and how they influence the way you sing, learn professional singing habits while avoiding harmful bad habits, and much, much more. You'll also find out how to get access to Singorama. With Singorama, you'll be able to sing with effortless strength, increase your vocal range by at least an octave, sing with beautiful tone and perfect pitch, and much more. Many other singing courses out there skimp on training, fearing that if they add too much content, it will appear too complex. Singorama 2.0 has not left out a single piece of training. The course is structured to make step-by-step learning easy. If other singing courses out there are so good, why haven't the instructors used it themselves to make it in the industry? The co-developer of this program developed this system to make it as a pop star. 1 platinum and 2 gold albums speak for themselves. This system is step-by-step that anyone can follow. It's important you consider a course that has been around a while. Singorama 2.0 has been helping thousands of everyday people transform their voices for over 10 years now. Are you just getting started in learning to sing? Or are you a seasoned pro? Or somewhere in between? Here's the thing. If you want to be truly successful with learning to sing, then you have to implement processes and systems. Not just any process or system, but one that works over and over again, that's duplicatable. Learning to sing like a pro is simple, but not always easy. So do what it takes to make it easier. And when you get access to Singorama 2.0, here's just some of what you'll learn. How to strengthen your vocal cords with professional warm-ups and exercises. How to sing with power and confidence, adding at least an octave to your range. Skills and techniques other vocal coaches fail to deliver. And much, much more. Check out Singorama 2.0 and see for yourself why thousands of others have chosen it to transform their voice to a professional standard. Click the link in the description below.